Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing and I'm doing the March Boxycharm, and I received this last week, but since I was in Virginia I couldn't really look at it. And this is like a pure unboxing. This is what the box looks like, and for this box it's themed vacation. I mean, yes, like it's almost spring. I mean, it just snowed 2 days ago here in Maryland, and they have, oh my god, this is the blush that I've been always wanted, like this color, because there's two types of colors. There's like a brighter pink and this other one. I really wanted this one. And we have a Butter London double-decker mascara, and then we have the South Main 3-pack eye gel, and then we have the Vintage Cosmetics eye brush trio. And the last thing, I was so excited when I saw the previews. It's the Pure Cosmetics / Boxycharm collaboration palette. Here we go. This is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna use the eye gel first, and this one retails for $10, which is a good price. What? I have to leave it on for 30 minutes? Oh my god. Just gonna set the eyes using this color. It's called, hold up, it's called Perfect. Just gonna set the concealer. Now we're gonna go with Nike right here. Now we're gonna go with Belle right here. It's like orange but with a hint of pink. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this palette retails for $36. And now we're gonna do this color right here, BFF. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust me, we're gonna blend it later. And to blend, I'm just using my Morphe M518 brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter using Bay right here. And I love anything glitter, you know. I'm gonna add a little bit of ATL right here. Now we're gonna add Maya, this shocking blue on the lower lash line. Now we're done with the eyes. I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna prime my face using the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Tan. To set the face, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. To contour, we're gonna use my NARS. For blush, I'm using my Pretty Vulgar in the shade Hush Blush, I believe. Or it says Make Them Blush. Oh, it's Make Them Blush. And then this one retails for $26. It's like an Asian glow. Like every time I get drunk, I get that Asian glow. Time to highlight. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty highlight in the shade Girl Next Door. We're gonna use the Butter London Double Decker mascara. I'll be right back and I'll pop on some lashes. Alright, I just popped on some lashes and some lips, and I used the Galactic matte lip paint in the shade Posh. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!